In this video, I will show you how to reset YouTube feed. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow. Before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, your YouTube feed is the homepage of YouTube and it's going to be your videos which are basically recommended from YouTube. So you might want to reset this because you're not really keen on the recommendations from YouTube in your YouTube feed. Whatever reason you want to do this, it's really easy to do. The first thing you're going to want to do is come across to youtube.com and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, come over to the menu on the left hand side, and in the section entitled You, you're going to see an option for history. What you want to do is go ahead, give that a click, and what that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this where you can see your watch history. Now, your YouTube feed is all recommended to you based upon your previous watching history, so to get rid and reset your feed, you actually need to delete your watch history. To do this, from the screen, come over to the right hand side and click where it says Manage All History. That's going to take you to a screen like this, and from here, if you scroll down a bit, you're going to see a delete button. Just go ahead, click the delete button, and you want to make sure it's selected for all time, and then what you need to do is come down and click delete to confirm. As you can see, it says deletion complete, and all you need to do is click the blue got it button. And now if we come back and refresh my YouTube, so I'm just going to come back, and as you can see, there are no recommended videos on my homepage. If we go ahead and refresh the page, as you can see, nothing is coming up. So you can now start watching videos. As you can see, YouTube says start watching videos to help us build a feed of videos that you love, so you can start from scratch. So that is how to reset YouTube feed. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.